We rolling? Okay. You good?
I'm good.
Okay. Hey, what's up? Oh, hey, what's up, you guys? So today, ew, that's dirty. Don't put her away. Okay. So today we finna do cheesecake, right? We're doing cheesecake though, but it's gonna be a little twist. This isn't Big Bertha. This is the baby. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna try to do this blindfolded, okay? Now, Bird Box Challenge, whatever that show called, if you may. I know this has been done before. I'm sure of it, but she don't care. I was about to ask you if you can see. Can you see, girl?
I can see.
Oh, good for you. Oh, I can't see nothing.
That's the point.
Nothing. Oh, look.
Ooh, she classy.
She's classy. Okay. Oh, this is gonna be hard. Okay, so here's the ball. Ew. What is it?
Ew, really?
This is the milk condensed lechera, right?
Mm-hmm.
Those are the galletas. That's la mantequilla. Ooh, she knows Spanish. Okay, this is not sour cream. Cream cheese. Okay, we gotta put this in the bowl. Now this is just a packet. Ooh.
I opened it for you a little bit.
Okay.
So you have to not mess it up. It's on the top. In the middle. Don't! You just messed it up. Okay.
Oh, I got you. We're doing this motion.
Well, I mean, I guess.
I got it. Ooh, smell good. Okay, let's go. Ooh.
Well, you better take your blindfold off.
Me?
Yeah, you. Who else has a blindfold in this room?
That's a good question. Does it look like I can see? Because I can't, so we good. Is it all out?
There's a little bit on there.
Right here?
Okay. You didn't even get it.
Hold on. Am I warm?
Okay, you got it.
Okay.
Now there's some on the other side. Where your thumb's at? The other thumb. Get right there. Okay. I want you to put it in the bowl, not spread it.
Yeah.
Give me it.
You ready?
Yep. Jesus. Okay.
I did it though. Okay. Okay, this is garbage. Vanilla. This is the.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Wait.
So where you, oh, okay.
Okay. You get it?
I mean, there's still some in there. Mm-hmm.
Okay. Good?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. I'm gonna add the eggs. Okay. The milk, right? Condensed or whatever.
Where are you going? No. No.
Okay. We gotta
Mix it.
yeah. So
Wait, don't push that one. Maybe you should put it in the bowl first.
okay. There's nothing there. I won't touch it. Okay, we done mixing, right? You agree?
Oh, still a little bit of chunky stuff in there. Just go a little bit more.
Okay. Oh, what is this?
A bowl.
Is this where I crack the eggs?
Yep.
We don't need her no more.
Don't throw it.
Ew! This scarf is pubing out. That fridge scares me. Okay, now we gonna do
The crust.
the crust. There's a hair. Pass me a knife.
I don't know if I want to do that.
It's warm. You don't have to give me one that's sharp.
I don't know why you extended your hand over there.
Is it sharp?
Yes.
Now see, based on the circumference,
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna say that's the middle.
Okay. I guess it wasn't sharp.
Same size?
Mm-hmm.
Really? Whatever. Ma! ¿Cuántas las galletas pongo? How's she coming? Okay. It's in the blender.
Me va a quebrar mis platos preferidos.
This is blender?
No.
No, that's the coffee
This is
maker.
blender?
It is a blender.
Okay, cool.
But you'd probably want to use the NutriBullet.
What? Right? 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 No, I know.
No, a mí háblame español porque no te entiendo.
Te dije que si vamos a poner esto aquí.
Sí.
Okay.
Proceed.
Okay. That's the sink. No. That's the fridge right here. Okay. It was full.
No te va a moler toda.
You were supposed to help me, Mom. Are you eating them? Are you eating the ingredients, woman?
Hay problemas que no.
Oh, wait, Mom.
Devil!
What was that?
You just dropped the butter all over Mom.
The what?
The butter all over Mom.
Why did you put it in the microwave?
Because you're supposed to melt it.
That's hot.
Eso me pasa por metiche.
Are you eating the cookies, yes or no?
Sí, pero ¿qué importaba?
Bruh, she lied to me and I got butter on me. She's in the cookies now. Okay.
No.
No?
Tapa el de ese procesador. Te vas a cortar. Pues tápalo. En inglés.
I somehow have assistance.
Me quemó el güey. Ay.
Mom. Oh my gosh. Fuck.
Okay. That was any better.
Okay. ¿La prendo?
You didn't.
Pulse.
Oh, pulse. Ooh, hold on. What?
Did you make cat noises?
Ya.
Oh,
Ya.
can I have some more?
Es que necesitan quebrar las galletas para que el procesador no te las comas.
Excuse me? ¿Qué?
Ya está bien. Échalo.
If you were aiming for the little thingy, you did it.
No. Okay. What?
Sí.
She's nodding her head yes.
Oh my gosh.
10 minutos en el refrigerador.
For what? What? What's 10 minutes in the fridge?
La galleta.
Okay, so I guess we're gonna put this one in the fridge
Si quieres.
if you want.
Y si no, ya sí lo puedes meter a...
Okay, I don't want to.
Entonces ya con cuidado le vas a echar la mezcla.
The cookie?
De cookies.
The cookie.
Mira,
She says the cookie. This is a French dish now. Hi, how you doing?
everything is okay. Outside is raining, open the door, close the window.
Right.
Yes.
Oh.
Entonces le vas a...
Can you do that noise, Mom? Oh. Can you do that? Go ahead.
No, es que nomás me sale una vez.
No, she waited. Go ahead.
No, ah.
Oh.
Ah, crrr.
Oh, shit. What?
Despacito la mezcla.
This. Did you almost fall?
Se andaba
¿Ya casi
cayendo.
cae? Wow, estúpido.
Abelito.
What?
Language.
Estúpido is not that word.
Are you sure about
I'm
that?
so
Some
stupid.
people can be offended by it.
You.
Ok, despacito echa la mezcla para que no levantes el polvito de la galleta.
Despacito.
Don't sing.
Damn, shut me down real quick.
Yeah. Is it going in?
No, it's falling on the floor.
Papi, no le dejes caso. Ten. Ahí te va la espátula.
Ooh, hold up. What's that? What's that?
Was I?
Ooh.
Para que limpies el vaso de la licuadora.
I'm putting all of it in?
Sí, todo.
Oh. ¿Ya está para qué?
¿Qué
Just
dije yo?
to scrape the blender even.
Oh. When it's ready. Okay. How long she said?
30 to 40 minutes.
34 minutes.
34 minutes.
You're gonna turn off the oven, okay? But you're not gonna take it out. How'd I do?
I guess we shall see.
No, bitch. I mean, ooh. No, girl, how'd I do?
I mean, besides throwing butter all over my mom,
Right. Right.
you did okay.
Right.
Mira, Otto, júntame mi libreta.
Excuse me. Kitchen's closed. Okay, you guys, so the cheesecake is done. I put this little, oh, hold on. It's hot. That it's like a cake tester, right? And it's supposed to come out clean. So, it's clean. So now what we're gonna do, it was in there for 4 to 5 minutes. We're gonna do is close the oven and turn it off. Down. And we're gonna leave it in there for 10 minutes and I'll get to you guys in there. Okay, bye. Okay, you guys, so it is the next melting. Okay? Okay. That's how it came out. That's how it came out. Not like that. I'm so sorry. See? Okay, that's how you know it's good. Okay? Anyways, you guys, I'll see you in my next video. It's probably gonna be another challenge, so you know, get ready for that. Bye.